don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenza TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Stellenbosch 2. I'm joined by Kino Walikosi.
yazi Sipho bengicabangane ngimangele ukuthi kune raccoon la eceleni kwami elikhalayo maye kanti uyo uyahleka yeah but anyway angikho lapho ukuthi sikhipana bengacabanga ukuthi kukhona iraccoon elisapota abontomngayisi
Sure man.
yeah yabona Sipho, I'm disappointed today Sipho. The way ngi disappointed ngakhona angidisappointwanga abafana, you understand?
Yeah.
Ngidisappointwe omunye umjida.
Ubani?
Lo mjida lo ngidisappointe kakhulu Sipho. Ezukhila wekhosi, you understand? Uma angithanda ngithi share out kuye, but into ayenzile like angithandanga mfethu. Ubhale ukuthi khila khosi esikipeni sakhe yabo. Makaceda ufaka inamba futhi le yami 03. You understand? So understand ukuthi wayenze njalo ngoba sometimes angangena enkingeni.
Yeah.
Njengoba abontomngayise bangifuna phansi phezulu so bamthola abhekele bamthela induku ngoba uthanda izinto angeke mfethu uzobhala kanje angeke uzobhala kanje you understand ngoba bazokuthela induku uyazi bathi khila
uyashisa
yabona sometimes mhlambe isigebengu lesi soganga social empahla endaweni la gange khona bese boyolanda mina you understand bathi ukhila uyogangile kubena akusiyimi ayikho mnandi leyo
sure
yabona angijabuleli unless if uyangithanda bhale khila wekhosi fan you understand kunomehluko lapho angabhali khila khosi 03 yangidisappoint but anyway Sipho eshayiwe namuhla
sure
ngimabokoboko Sipho mazithi 1-1 Sipho bekuminye mina bengiminyile Sipho ngeza umsuzu uphuma kancane Sipho ya ngoba Sipho bengazi ukuthi kubanzima ukuthi sibuyele mangabe bashaye igoli yabo makuyi 1-1 ngasho singathi kubanzima ukuthi sibuye but Sipho into engayithandi like ngabafana bethu i1
sure
Sipho as ama supporter as mina as khila wekhosi supporter ngihlezi ngibamela kubi kumnandi kunjani ngiyabamela abafana bami but bona bahluleka kusimela you understand phela Sipho injabulo sengithola makudliwa iPirates abontomngayisi ngithola makudliwa abo Van der Merwe ngisho ama leza sePitori Sundowns you understand ila ngithola khona injabulo then masijabula makumele sibuyela ekhaya eish akuyala mfethu kubi kuyala mfethu kuyala Sipho kunzima kakhulu Sipho uyabona ngaphandle kwePirates abontomngayise neSundowns Sipho ngabe kudala ngine stroke ngibanjwe stroke ngenxa yokucabanga but ngiyazi ukuthi akhona amaphilisi okhipha istress irehab makudliwa iBhakaniya makudliwe iSundowns ila ngisithola khona irehab as ama Kaizer Chiefs fan you understand ngoba sithwele kanzima kubhlungu Sipho kubhlungu hayi kubhlungu kakhulu Sipho and yabona abafana the way sibathanda ngakhona bekumele nabo basithande mfethu mina ngeke ngize ngiblame ucoach angeke ngize ngiblame ucoach ngiblame ubani ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bangakhuluma bathi ukhila akalazi ibhola ora kanjani angiblame ucoach angiblame ama player nethi ngiblame ukuthi mababe serious you understand umuntu ubheke kule game ye Saturday ne ucoach the same coach lo ocoachele game sidlala neStellenbosch same coach ozaba lapha standing amile lapha yana understand but ubheke iperformance abafana you understand lokho kuzokutshengisa ukuthi uma bangafuna ukudlala kahle bazodlala without coach or coach akhona bazokhona ukulenduzana iKaizer Chiefs mfethu ayisacoachwa ucoach iKaizer Chiefs mfethu abo coach bane stress ngoba like abaphushi kamnandi ne then nama supporter now sabo coach uyangunderstand angeke ucoach alalela ama supporter ukuthi mabathi Vilakazi bambize bathi vele ngena Vilakazi ora bathi Serino bambize bathi ngena egcineni bazothi khila bazongilanda le ngibukele ngiyongena ngiyodlala uyangunderstand ngoba sekulalelwa ama support too much kahle thina ama supporter kumele siyazi irole lethu angeke uzuthi ube support angeke ngizisolo ngishumayela ivangele eyi1 ayenziwa lento e-stadium mawuceda uzoblame ucoach mara wodlisa ucoach ngoba umnikeza ipressure mara uzobhiza umemeza lapha hey shabalala ubani manyana ngiyekela ucoach yenza umsebenzi wakhe uqashelwe lokho musi uyangunderstand masicede sofika la sibakhulume kabi sithi uVilakazi akadlali kahle ushabalala wenzeni mara yithi ngoba base training asikho lapho unless ke hamba every time ama support eKaizer Chiefs awayele eNaturena maba trainer labafana nakhona bo support aba train ngoba manje basenza ama coach ngathi sebayazi into eyenzeka lapha eNaturena uyangunderstand sibulawa ama support athanda izinto no coach naye alalela ama support yazini mfethu mongicashile uthi ngizoperforma kakho uyangunderstand noma bangathi umuntu athi khilo uyabhimba mina ngoba ngicashiwe kuwe angeke ngize ngiphele moral ukuthi ngiperforme lapha ngizoperforma ngiphume lo ngafuna ukulalela ukhila makaphume abangazosibulalisa lama supporter man danko
Killer